स्नेहल. Ammi, I want to go out. Mother, it's raining. Do you still want to go? Snehal, yes, Ammi, I want to play in the rain. Mother, you will get wet. Snehal, yes, Ammi, but I want to enjoy the rain. Mother, go ahead. I will finish my work and join you. Chintu, Ammi, I want to play in the rain too. May I go? Mother, yes, Chintu, you may.